Good morning to respected sir and all my dear friends. Today my presentation topic is obsession with perfect body. Well, the obsession with perfect body is quite damaging to human, not only physically but also mentally. And by portraying these kind of insecurities has helped the cosmetic industry to grow more and more. Like alone in India, the cosmetic industry now worth is $8.1 billion. And I'm not talking about those facial treatments or creams and all those things. I'm talking about the damaging aspect of it, like fillers and surgeries, etc. As we are talking about fillers, what are fillers? Fillers are made up of collagen of cows and pig. Now, what it does, it helps you to, it's used mostly by the people to remove the wrinkle, as it paralyzes the skin of the body. Now, everything has their pros and cons. What are the disadvantages for it? The disadvantages for it is that, the infection that is going to cause. And there are many scars that is left by these things. And if the material of these fillers are injected in the opposite direction of the bloodstream, it can also cause blindness to the person. And, as the person, not every person is well off to go for these treatments like surgeries and filler. So many person opt for the cheaper version of it. Like they go to the sketchy doctors that can you provide us these treatments in a low price or low cost. So what these doctors do, either they use the same syringe for every patient out there, or either they will use cheap materials or buy the cheap materials by the black market to give them those things. Instead of fillers, they are giving, not everyone can afford these cosmetic treatments, because fillers are not permanent. So it need to be done time to time, and it's really expensive. Same goes for surgery too. So what people does, they opt for the cheaper option, that if a doctor is saying that, we can give the surgery under a low cost, they are opting for it. They are going for it, that yes, maybe we can also look like them, but we are not paying that much. But they don't know that, that cheap, the doctor that they're using, that sketchy practices, are either using the same syringe on all the patients, or they are using the bad materials or the material that shouldn't be used in the fillers and injecting it in your body. Now when I'm talking about the surgery, that there are many number of surgeries that can be done in a human body. Like, if I state few of them are BBL, buccal fat removal, cheek augmentation, and there are many surgeries that can be done, like rhinoplasty and all. And if suppose a person is doing all these surgeries, I know that still they are going to find out some kind of flaws in their body, because we are comparing others, or that person is still going to find someone other beautiful than her or him. And these surgeries are not only meant for the women. There are many surgeries, or there are many trends that are being done by the men's too. Like there was a recent trend of chewing gum, and it will make your jawline more perfect, and it will seriously damage your jawline, because you're chewing the gum whole day, and you're chewing you're not chewing it for a one day, you're chewing it regularly and for hours. So it will be going to damage your jawline or jaws. And now what we should do, either focusing on these type of things, like yes, we should perfect our body, because perfection is not a thing. Perfection can never be done, and you are going to find flaws some way or another. So what a person should do, he or she should live their life freely. They should not think about these things. These are the things that are made by maybe God, or these are passed down by our ancestors. And if everybody would look same, like the beauty standards and all, there would be no individuality, and the person all other will look same. So I think that person should live their life however they want. They should not think about these kind of things. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.